So in May 2003, I received what every consultant would like to receive in his life, a one-liner request for proposal coming from the CEO of a tire company. And the one-liner was, what did we not see that will kill us? So very much a pessimistic view of the world and about the technology. I was very excited. I really wanted to win the thing. We did win it. And then, of course, when we won it, my question was, how are we going to execute this strange project? So we looked at the consultant methodology about consumer demographics, competition, and everything. But the key of it was technology. And how can we link technology to this company? So what we did was, that's a bit too early. What we did was looking at the tire company. And we say, OK, you could say a tire company sells tire, but you could look at a tire company as a safety company. And then if I look at it as a safety company, I can start to sell safety objects. You can look at a tire company as a mobility company. And let me give you a few examples. If you look at a tire company as a mobility company, then suddenly, if you link with technology, many ideas, many utopian ideas come to mind. I can put in my tires wireless sensors to know where they are. If I do that, I can have instant access to traffic information everywhere. Remember, this was before Google acquired Waze, even before Waze was invented. If I also put some wireless sensor into my tires, I can predict what's going to happen. So let's say 2 kilometers away from me, one of the tires encounters some oil. Then suddenly, I can say, be careful, there is a danger. I can make my tires communicate. Of course, I can do many other things. We were looking at China at the time. And it was quite obvious, even in 2003, that China would go for electric vehicles because of the pollution issue. And because China was also had nuclear power plants, you could produce electricity at low cost. Then you can put an electric motors into a tire, into a wheel, actually, more than the tire. So there were plenty of opportunities. And we went with these utopian ideas, went into the big company and started to put them in place. And half of them were put in place, half of them were not put in place. And it really gave me a few ideas. And it was a life-changing event for me. Because the first question was, things are going to go bad, what will kill us? We transform it to, how can you take opportunities and make new businesses and contribute for the good of the world? And when I look at what has happened in the world in the past years, we had more and more CEOs coming to us to say, we are worried. And the reason why they are worried is two things. The first thing is the pace of acceleration has been increasing from linear to exponential. As more and more digital technology are coming into everyday technology, of course, it follows more law and it becoming exponential. And also the CEO says, what used to be built by large company is now built by deep tech startups. You can do genomic with CRISPR in a garage. You can do photonics to transform the LiDAR in a garage. Actually, there is an MIT team that is doing just that right now, like 100 meters from here. And so what we decided to do at BCG is to say, guys, you should, of course, it's normal to be a bit worried. It's a stress factor normal for the human being. But let's go and take a look at all the opportunities that you can get from that. And so we decided to create a place where we're going to exchange all the good ideas, all the need from the business, where they think things are not possible today, and try to say what is not possible today that could be made possible tomorrow. So to do that, we're going to focus a lot on technology, but link technology with business needs. What we're going to do is first the station. Station is going to be a radar of technology. OK, what does it look like in 5 to 10 years? The full idea would be, why don't we create a Kaggle platform where we have all the scientists in the world linking to all the good ideas coming from the business in the world to become utopians. Then we would do, so that's the cockpit, sorry. The station then would be to experiment. So we want to experiment technology. For example, I don't believe that any one technology will be interesting, but a cross-section of technology will be interesting. So if I mix up quantum computing, Internet of Things, and blockchain, maybe I can create the next nice platform of mobility. And of course, the shuttle will be what we want to do with the scientists, one of our clients, and BCG to create the thing. So what I'm asking you today and what I'm here for is come on, help me design that. Come on, help me become utopians and speak to me about how to make that a reality at scale. Thank you so much.